One of the things that always makes sense is to collect data over a longer period of time so that we can later evaluate what worked well and what we could improve. We now use a website called FX Blue. The reason for this is that it gives us a fairly precise evaluation of what worked when and how. We can then use the findings to make appropriate improvements later on. A classic analysis would be, for example, the question of whether one currency pair works better than another. In the past, we have found that the Euro-US dollar currency pair is the best choice. Incidentally, this is also in line with the information from Wikipedia. There, you can read that the Euro-US dollar currency pair is the most traded currency in the world. This does not mean that the other currencies cannot work, but there is a fundamental insight from the field of NLP that says we should focus more on the things that work and less on the things that don't work so well. This is exactly why we believe it makes sense to start with the currency pair that works best when trading currencies. The reason why the Euro-US dollar works so well is that the liquidity is there. Liquidity means that there are always enough people who want to buy or sell at a certain price. This means that anyone who wants to open or close a position usually has the opportunity to do so at the conditions they want. This can be difficult with other currencies, especially if there are not so many buyers and sellers. If you want to take a look at how the results will develop over the next few weeks, you can do so via the link in the description. It is also not necessary to register or log in. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.